Cryptocurrency is typically decentralized digital money designed to be used over the web. Bitcoin, which launched in 2008, was the first cryptocurrency, and it remains far and away the most important, most influential, and best known. Within the decade since, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum have grown as digital alternatives to money issued by governments. The hottest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Other well-known cryptocurrencies include Tezos, EOS, and Zcash. Some are almost like Bitcoin, others are supported different technologies or have new features that allow them to try to quite transfer value. Crypto makes it possible to transfer value online without the necessity for a middleman short of a bank or payment processor, allowing value to transfer globally, near instantly 24/7 for low fees. Cryptocurrencies are usually not issued or controlled by any government or other central authority. They are managed by peer-to-peer networks of computers running free, open-source software. Generally, anyone who wants to participate is in a position to. If a bank or government isn't involved, how is crypto secure? It's secure because all transactions are vetted by a technology called a blockchain. A cryptocurrency blockchain is analogous to a bank's record or ledger. Each currency has its own blockchain, which is an ongoing, constantly verified record of each single transaction ever made using that currency. Unlike a bank's ledger, a crypto blockchain is distributed across participants of the digital currency's entire network. No company, country, or third party is on top of things of it, and anyone can participate. A blockchain may be a breakthrough technology only recently made possible through decades of computing and mathematical innovations. Most importantly, cryptocurrencies allow individuals to require complete control over their assets. Transferability: crypto makes transaction with people on the opposite side of the earth as seamless as paying with cash at your local grocery. Privacy: when paying with cryptocurrency, you don't got to provide unnecessary personal information to the merchant, which suggests your financial information is shielded from being shared with third parties like banks, payment service, advertisers, and credit rating agencies. And since no sensitive information must be sent over the web, there's little or no risk of your financial information being compromised or your identity being stolen. Security: most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and Bitcoin Cash, are secured using technology called a blockchain, which is consistently checked and verified by an enormous amount of computing power. Portability: because your cryptocurrency holdings aren't tied to a financial organization or government. They are available to you regardless of where you are within the world or what happens to any of the worldwide finance system's major intermediaries. Transparency: every transaction on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and Bitcoin Cash networks is published publicly, without exception. This suggests there is no room for manipulation of transactions, changing the cash supply, or adjusting the principals mid-game. Irreversibility: unlike a MasterCard payment, cryptocurrency payments cannot be reversed. For merchants, this hugely reduced the likelihood of being defrauded. For patrons, it's the potential to form commerce cheaper by eliminating one among the main arguments MasterCard companies bring: their high processing fees. Safety: the network powering Bitcoin has never been hacked, and therefore the fundamental ideas behind cryptocurrencies helps make them safe. The systems are permissionless and the core software is open source, meaning countless computer scientists and cryptographers are ready to examine all aspects of the networks and their security. Why is cryptocurrency the longer term of finance? Cryptocurrencies are the primary alternative to the normal banking industry and have powerful advantages over previous payments methods and traditional classes of assets. Consider them as money 2.0, a replacement quiet cash that's native to the web, which provides it the potential to be the fastest, easiest, cheapest, safest, and most universal thanks to exchange value that the planet has ever seen. Cryptocurrencies are often owned to buy goods or services or held as a part of an investment strategy, but they cannot be manipulated by any central authority just because there isn't one. Regardless of what happens to a government, your cryptocurrency will remain secure. Digital currencies provide equality of opportunity, no matter where you were born or where you reside. As long as you have got a smartphone or another internet-connected device, you have got an equivalent crypto access as everyone else. Cryptocurrencies create unique opportunities for expanding people's economic freedom around the world. Digital currencies essential borderlessness facilities trade, even in countries with tight government controls over citizens' finance. In places where inflation may be a key problem, cryptocurrencies can provide an alternate to dysfunctional fiat currencies for savings and payments. As a part of a broader investment strategy, crypto are often approached during a big variety of the way. One approach is to shop for any One approach is to shop for and hold something like Bitcoin, which has gone from virtually worthless in 2008 to thousands of dollars a coin today. Another would be a more active strategy, buying and selling cryptocurrencies that have volatility. One option for crypto-curious investors looking to attenuate risk is USD coin, which is pegged 1:1 to the worth of the US dollar. It offers the advantages of crypto, including the power to transfer money internationally quickly and cheaply, with the stateliness of a standard currency. Coinbase customers that hold USDC earn rewards, making it an appealing alternative to a standard bank account. Digital currencies provide equality of opportunity, no matter where you were born or where you reside. Why invest in cryptocurrency? Online exchanges like Coinbase have made buying and selling cryptocurrencies easy, secure, and rewarding. It only takes a couple of minutes to make a secure account, and you will buy cryptocurrency using your open-end credit or checking account. You can purchase a little or as much crypto as you would like, since you will buy fractional coins. For instance, you will buy $25 worth of Bitcoin. Many digital currencies, including USD coin and Tezos, offer holders rewards only for having them. On Coinbase, you will earn 1% APY on. That's much above most traditional savings accounts. You also can earn up to 5 APY once you stake Tezos on Coinbase. Unlike stocks or bonds, you will easily transfer your cryptocurrency to anyone else to use it to buy goods and services. Millions of individuals hold Bitcoin and other digital currencies as a part of their investment portfolios. What is a stable coin? USD coin is an example of a cryptocurrency called stable coins. You will consider these as crypto dollars. They are designed to attenuate volatility and maximize utility. Stable coins offer a number of the simplest attributes of cryptocurrency: seamless global transaction, security, and privacy, with the valuation stability of fiat currencies. Stable coins do that by pegging their value to an external factor, typically a fiat currency just like the US dollar or a commodity like gold. As a result, their valuations are less likely to shift dramatically from day to day. That stability can increase their utility for everyday use as money, because both buyers and merchants are often confident that the worth of their transaction will remain relatively consistent over an extended time frame. They also can work as a secured and stable thanks to economies short of a traditional bank account. What is the longer term of cryptocurrency? Experts often mention the ways crypto can provide solution to the shortcomings of our current economic systems. High fees, fraud, and extreme economic inequality are an unfortunate part of our current economic system, and they are also things cryptocurrencies have the potential to deal with. The technology that powered digital currencies also has wide-ranging potential beyond the financial industry, revolutionizing supply chains to putting together the new decentralized internet. How does cryptocurrency work? Bitcoin is the first and most well-known, but there are thousands of sorts of cryptocurrencies. Many, like Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, share Bitcoin's core characteristic but explore new ways to process transactions. Others offer a wider range of features. Ethereum, for instance, are often owned to run applications and make contracts. All four, however, are supported a thought called the blockchain, which is vital to understanding how cryptocurrency works. At its most elementary, a blockchain may be a list of transactions that anyone can view and verify. The Bitcoin blockchain, for instance, may be a record of each time someone sends or receives Bitcoin. This list of transactions is prime for many cryptocurrencies because it enables secure payments to be made between people that don't know one another without having to travel through a third-party verifier short of a bank. Blockchain technology is additionally exciting because its many uses beyond cryptocurrency. Blockchains are getting used to explore medical research, improve the sharing of healthcare records, streamline supply chains, increase privacy on the web. The principles behind both Bitcoin and therefore the Bitcoin blockchain first appeared online during a white paper published in late 2007 by an individual or group going by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The blockchain ledger is split across all the computers on the network, which are constantly verifying that the blockchain is accurate. This means there's no central vault entity or database which will be hacked, stolen, or manipulated. Cryptocurrencies use a technology called public-private key cryptography to transfer coin ownership on a secure and distributed ledger. A personal key is an ultra-secure password that never must be shared with anyone, with which you will send value on the network. An associated public key are often freely and safely shared with others to receive value on the network. From the general public key, it's impossible for anyone to guess your private. What is cryptocurrency mining? Most cryptocurrencies are mined via a decentralized, also referred to as peer-to-peer network of computers. But mining doesn't just generate more Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's also the mechanism that updates and secures the network by constantly verifying the general public blockchain ledger and adding new transactions. Technically, anyone with a computer and an online connection can become a miner. But before you get excited, it's worth nothing that mining isn't always profitable. Counting on which cryptocurrency you are mining, how briskly your computer is, and therefore the cost of electricity in your area, you will find yourself spending more on mining than you earn back in cryptocurrency. As a result, most crypto mining lately is completed by companies that concentrate on it, or by large groups of people who all contribute their computing power. How does the network encourage miners to participate in maintaining the blockchain? Again, taking Bitcoin as an example, the network holds a lottery during which all the mining rigs around the world race to become the primary to unravel a math problem, which also verifies and updates the blockchain with new transactions. The winner is awarded new Bitcoin, which may then make its way into the broader marketplace. Why do cryptocurrencies get their value? The value of cryptocurrency, like all goods and services, comes from supply and demand. Supply refers to what proportion is available, like what percentage Bitcoin are available to shop for at any moment in time. Demand refers to people's desire to have it, as in what percentage people want to shop for Bitcoin and the way strongly they need it. The worth of a cryptocurrency will always be a balance of both factors. There also are other sorts of value. For instance, there's the worth you get for employing a cryptocurrency. Many of us enjoy spending or gifting crypto, meaning that it gives them a way of pride to support an exciting new economic system. Similarly, some people wish to shop with Bitcoin because they like its low fees and needs to encourage businesses to simply accept it. How to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? The easiest way to acquire cryptocurrency is to get on a web exchange like Coinbase. On Coinbase, you will buy major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic. Otherwise, you can explore emerging coins like Stellar, Lumens, or EOS. For a few cryptocurrencies, Coinbase offers opportunities to earn some for free of charge. One good approach is to ask yourself what you are hoping to try to with crypto and choose the currency with which will assist you achieve your goal. For instance, if you would like to shop for a laptop with crypto, Bitcoin could be an honest option because it's the foremost widely accepted. On the opposite hand, if you would like to play a digital cards, then Ethereum may be a popular choice. Keep in mind that you simply don't want to buy an entire coin on Coinbase. You will buy portions of coins in increments as little as $2, euros, pounds, or your local currency. How does one store cryptocurrency? Storing crypto is analogous to storing cash, which suggests you would like to guard it from theft and loss. There are some ways to store crypto both online and off, but the only solution is via a trusted, secure exchanges like Coinbase. Coinbase customers can securely store, send, receive, and convert crypto by signing into their account on a computer, tablet, or phone. Want to transfer money from your wallet to a bank account? The Coinbase app makes it easy as transferring funds from one bank to a different. Much like conventional bank transfer or ATM withdrawals, exchanges like Coinbase set a daily limit, and it would take from a couple of days to every week for the transaction to be completed. What are you able to do with cryptocurrency? There's a good range of belongings you can do with cryptocurrency, and therefore the list grows with time. Here are the couple of ways to get started, from participating in everyday activities to exploring new technological frontiers. Shop. Over 8,000 global merchants accept cryptocurrency via Coinbase Commerce. Travel the world. Because cryptocurrency isn't tied to a selected country, traveling with crypto can hamper on money exchange fees. There's already a little but thriving community of self-titled crypto nomads, which primarily or in some cases exclusively spend crypto once they travel. donate to causes. There are benefits to donating and accepting crypto, and lots of non-profit organizations accept Bitcoin donations. Gift it. Cryptocurrency makes an excellent gift for friends and family who have an interest in learning about new technology. Tip someone. Authors, musicians, and other online content creators sometimes leave Bitcoin addresses or QR code at the top of their articles. If you wish their work, you will provide a little crypto as how of claiming thanks. Explore unique new combinations of cash and technology. Orchid may be a VPN which helps protect you when you are online, and a digital currency at an equivalent time. Basically, it's weakened into two parts: the Orchid VPN app and therefore the OXT cryptocurrency, and it all runs on the Ethereum Travel the World. Because cryptocurrency isn't tied to a selected country, traveling with crypto can hamper on money exchange fees. There's already a little but thriving community of self-titled crypto nomads who primarily or in some cases exclusively spend crypto once they travel. Buy property during a virtual gaming world. Decentraland, which also runs on an Ethereum blockchain, is that the first virtual world entirely owned by its users. Users can purchase and sell land, avatar, clothing, and every one sorts of other stuff while partying in virtual nightclubs or mingling in virtual art galleries. Explore decentralized finance or DeFi. A good sort of new players are getting to recreate the whole global economic system, from mutual fund like investments to loan lending mechanisms and way beyond, with non-central authority. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.